Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some bits from level 1 in principles of inheritance. Yesterday we discussed 1 to 24 bits. Today we will going to discuss from 25th bit to 45th. Question number 25. Which of the following conditions of zygote cell would lead to the birth of a normal human male child? Normal human male child. Normal. So now we are all very well known that the female is represented with XX plus 44 autosomes, and a male it is represented with XY plus 44 autosomes. So that means a normal male should consist X and Y. X and Y. If both two X chromosomes are present, it is female. Only one Y chromosome is present. Only one Y chromosome. It does not exist in human. Only one X chromosome is present. It is represented with 44A plus X0. This condition we can see in Turner syndrome, that is a disorder, genetic disorder or chromosomal disorder. So this third condition is Turner syndrome, and first option condition is female, two X chromosomes, and the second option only one Y chromosome, it does not exist. Now fourth option, one X and one Y represent the normal male. So the correct answer is option 4. Question number 26. Sex chromosomes of birds are options 1 ZZ, ZW, 2 ZZ, WW, 3 XX, XY, 4 X0, XY. So we are studied different types of sex determination methods. So Z, ZW, this type of this type of sex determination, this type of sex determination we can see in birds. Can see in birds. So in this males are homogametic. Males homogametic and females are heterogametic. Heterogametic. So that's why ZZ, ZW type we can see in the birds. And here in another option, so that is XX, XY we can see in humans. So here XX is females, XY is a male, X0, XX, this we can see in insects, some insects. So these two types also we can, it is in human and it is in insects. So the correct answer for sex chromosomes of birds are ZZ, ZW. So first option is correct. 27. Which of the following is incorrect combination? So we need to find a wrong one. So first one, XO type sex determination we can found in grasshopper or insects. It is correct. XY type sex determination we can found in Drosophila or maybe in human beings. ZW type of sex determination we can found in Pavocristatus. It is a bird. It is also a correct. X body is discovered by Morgan is given. X body is discovered by Henking. Henking discovered this X body. So that's why fourth option is incorrect combination. So answer is 4. Question number 28. Sex chromosomes of a female bird are. So we need to find a female bird. So options XO, 2 ZZ, 3 ZW, 4 XX. So we need to find the female bird sex chromosomes. So now here XO is the male sex chromosome in insects. Male sex chromosomes in insects, and ZZ, it is the male chromosome in male sex chromosome in birds, and ZW, it is a female sex chromosome in birds. And XX, it is a female sex chromosomes in human. So now the female bird sex chromosomes ZW, it is the third option is correct. 29. Female capital A, capital B is crossed to male capital A, small b, gametes shall be. So now here the question, it is clear. Male, sorry, female is capital A, capital B, small b. Male is capital A, small b. So here all these two characters are heterogam heterogamous. Heterogamous. Here one character is homogamous and another character is also homogamous. Homogamous. So female is completely heterogamous. So this heterogamete condition, that is capital A, capital B, small b, this can produce four different types of gametes. That is capital A, capital B, one gamete, capital A, small b, another gamete, small a, capital B, another gamete, and fourth gamete is small a, small b, or the four gametes from the female. And now males are having capital A, small b. So now this produce only one type of gamete, that is capital A, small b, because of homozygous. Because of heterozygous, it produce four gametes. So now female produce capital A, capital B, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, and male produce only one gamete, that is capital A, small b. So the correct answer is option 3 is correct. Question number 30, which is correct in the given options. Option 1, birds have ZZ female. ZW male sex determination. Drosophila XX XY sex determination. Third, Henking discovered Y chromosome. 4. Grasshopper show XX XY sex determination. So now let's see the first option. It is given birds have ZZ a female. ZZ is not a female, it is a male, and ZW is not a male, it is a female. So that means this statement is wrong. Drosophila has XX and XY sex determination. The same is given in fourth option. Grasshopper shows XX, XY sex determination. So here in grasshopper it shows X0, XX sex determination, not XX, XY. So the fourth option is also wrong. Now Hanking discovered Y chromosome. Hanking discovered the X chromosome. This is also wrong. So then Drosophila has XX, XY sex determination is correct. So the correct answer for this question is option 2. Question number 31. The term used to describe the generation of non-parental gene combinations is options 1. Linkage, 2. Regeneration, 3. Transformation, 4. Recombination. So now let's know about this. The term used to describe the generation of non-parental gene combination. Non-parental. That means that gene combination is not present in the parents. So now we are already studied that during meiosis 1 or during meiosis 1 in prophase 1, the chromosomes undergo undergo crossing over. So due to this crossing over, the genes are recombined. Genes are recombined. Genes are recombined. This phenomena is called as the recombination. Recombination. This recombination, this recombination gives the non-parental characters. Non-parental gene combinations. So the correct answer is recombination gives the non-parental gene combinations. So the correct answer is option 4. Question number 32. The substance which causes a definite change in genes is called options: mutagen, 2. Toxin, 3. Cytotoxin, 4. Alkaloid. So now let's see the meanings of these terms. So the first one is mutagen. So what is meant by mutagen? A substance causes a substance a substance causes a definite change in the gene. A definite change in gene is called as mutagen. Toxin. So what is meant by a toxin? A poisonous substance, a poisonous substance poisonous substance produced produced within the living cell, within living cells, is called as toxin. Cytotoxin. Cytotoxin, a substance having having a toxic effect on cells is called cytotoxin. Alkaloid. Alkaloid. So a class of or a group of nitrogenous organic compounds. Nitrogenous organic compounds. Organic compounds of plant origin is called alkaloid. So alkaloids are the nitrogenous substance present in plants. Cytotoxins, substance having toxic effect on the cells. A poisonous substance produced by living organism is toxin. Mutagen, a substance causes a definite change in a gene. So now what is question? The substance which causes definite change in gene. So according to information, the correct answer is option 1, mutagen. So option 1 is correct. Question number 33. Mendel's law of independent assortment is based on F2 ratio of options 1 is to 2 is to 1, 2, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, 3, 2 is to 1, 4, 3 is to 1. So let's see that these ratios represent what these ratios are represent. So 1 is to 2 is to 1. It represents the genotypic ratio, Mendel's monohybrid genotypic ratio. Mendel's monohybrid monohybrid genotypic ratio. Now 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. It represents Mendel's dihybrid Mendel's dihybrid phenotypic ratio. 2 is to 1. It represent lethal gene ratio. And 3 is to 1, it represents Mendel's monohybrid phenotypic ratio. So now, as per this information, what the question is asking, Mendel's law of independent assortment. Independent assortment is explained based on the dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. So among these options, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 is the dihybrid cross. This ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 is the base for this law of independent assortment. So Mendel's law of independent assortment is based on F2 generation of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. So the correct answer is option 2. Question number 34. Mutations are responsible for options 1. Extinction of organisms, 2. Variations in population, 3. Increase in population, 4. Maintaining the genetic continuity. So we are all very well known that mutation is defined as mutation is defined as a sudden change in genetic material, change in genetic material. So this sudden change in genetic material brings the variation in the genetic composition. Variation in genetic composition. So the question is mutations are responsible for variations in the genetic composition because of changing the genetic material. So the correct answer is variations in population. Option 2 is correct. Question number 35. X body was discovered by options 1. Hutchinson in 1897, 2. T.H. Morgan in 1863, 3. Henking in 1901, 4. Henking in 1891. So it is a direct question. So directly we can go for the answer. So that is X body was discovered by Henking in 1891 is correct option. 4 is the correct option. Question number 36. The smallest segment of genetic material affected by mutation is options 1. Recon, 2. Cistron, 3. Muton, 4. Exon. So now let's know the importance of these, that means definitions of these words. So recon, what is meant by a recon? So recon is a unit of, it is a unit of recombination. Recon is a unit of recombination. And the second word it is given, that is cistron. Cistron. So it is a segment of the DNA molecule, segment of a DNA and consists of a linear sequence of consists of a linear sequence of nucleotides is called cistron. Next, muton, it is defined as a unit of mutation. Unit of a mutation is called muton. Exon. Exon is a portion of a gene that codes for that codes for amino acids. Is called exon. So now the question is the smallest segment of genetic material affected by mutation. So that is mutant. It is a unit of mutation. It is affected by the mutation process. So mutant is the correct answer. Option 3 is correct. Question number 37. The following plants showing which of the following phenomena: codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allele for both option 1 and 3. So please remember, apply your common sense here. So the photo is given in black and white. So we cannot get a proper flowering color of these plants. Here we need to apply our common sense. Question is the following plant showing which of the following phenomena? Plants. So the codominance, we are given the example ABO blood group system that is not present in the plant. So this is not a option for that question. Multiple alleles, it is also related to the ABO blood group system. 1 and 3 is related to the blood group system. Codominance, AB blood group is example. Multiple allelism, ABO blood group system we will discuss. So that's why 1 and 3 is not considered as a options for this question. So the following we will, the phenomena is incomplete dominance. So incomplete dominance we are explained by taking snapdragon plant or dog flower. So their red flowered plant is crossed with a white flowered plant, and it produces the pink color in F1 generation. So that's why I said photograph is in black and white. We cannot visible these colors here. So that's why to identify answer, we need to apply our common sense here. So that is codominance and multiple alleles. Both are related. The examples what we studied belongs to the animals. Animals. So the one and only option which is belongs to the plant, that is incomplete plants. And in textbook also we are studied the examples for this incomplete dominance is only plant. And another example you can remember it, that is uh, pea seed size, based on the pea seeds size based on the starch synthesis. So that we are capital B, small b, if you remember. So starch synthesis, it is a dominant. Those who are prepare more starch, they are large in size and round. Large in size and round. And small b, they synthesize a less starch and they are a wrinkle, small and a wrinkle. When these two are crossed, but the F1 generation is medium size, round and medium size. If you consider the size, here large size, if synthesize more starch. If synthesize less starch, it is a wrinkle. But in F1 generation, starch synthesized more, but the size is intermediate. That indicates the incomplete dominance. So that's why the following plant shows which of the following phenomena: incomplete dominance. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 38. Sickle cell anemia has not been eliminated from African population as options. It is controlled by dominant genes. 2. It is controlled by recessive genes. 3. It is not a fatal disease. 4. It is provide immunity against malaria. So this question already we discussed in the ninth. Please refer question number 9 in the previous video. So their sickle cell anemia has not been eliminated from human population because that is the question. And here just as change, that is eliminated from the has not been eliminated from African population because it is a savior from malaria. It provides the immunity against the malaria. Option 4 is correct. Let's see the information. So sickle cell anemia, it is caused due to the point mutation. We are already knows that HbA, it is a normal hemoglobin. HbA and HbS, it is a carrier hemoglobin, that means carrier gene for the sickle cell anemia. HbS and HbS, it is the sickle cell anemic gene composition hemoglobin. So now first option, it is given as a dominant gene, it is a recessive. So sex linked, sorry, autosomal recessive disease, it is autosomal recessive disease. And when the point mutation is occurred, the RBC cells or become sickle shaped. So malarial parasite Plasmodium, it generally lives in the RBC. When RBC becomes sickle shaped, it cannot survive in that red blood cells. So hence in carriers, that means the harmful allele of sickle cell anemia. This is the harmful allele gene. It is present in homozygous condition, causes the sickle cell anemia. Anemia acts as a potential savior for the malaria. That thing, but it provides the immunity against the malaria. So that's why it has not been eliminated from African population, because in Africa, Plasmodium falciparum is a common in Africa, more common. So the correct answer is option 4. Question number 39. Which of the following represents an example of incomplete dominance? Options: flower color in snapdragon. 2. ABO blood grouping. 3. Starch grain size in pea seeds. 4. Both option 1 and 3. So incomplete dominance, we are studied under snapdragon as well as starch grain. So flower color in snapdragon, it is represent, that means represent the example of incomplete dominance. Starch grain size in pea seeds, it is also represent the incomplete dominance, example for incomplete dominance. Both 1 and 3 are correct. And ABO blood grouping is an example for multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. So that's why the correct answer is option 4. Both 1 and 2, 1 and 3 options are correct. So fourth option is correct. Question number 40. Probability of male child of a hemophilic father and normal mother becoming hemophilic is options 1 0%, 2 25%, 3 50%, 4 100%. So we need to apply the Mendel laws here. So now what we are saying, a probability of male child, we need to find out whether son or maybe male child is hemophilic or not? Philic. Son is hemophilic or normal? That we need to find. Clear. Now let's come to the male child, hemophilic father. Father having the hemophilic gene. Mother is normal. So that's why mother genotype we can, because hemophilia is X linked. XX mother, and father is hemophilic. That means defective gene is present in X chromosome Y. So then take the gametes. So we know that Punnett square we need to draw. So here male gametes are X with a defective gene, H it represents the hemophilic, and Y normal X and normal X. So now it produces daughter, carrier daughter, and here female is also a carrier, and now XY normal son, XY normal son. So when a normal woman marries a hemophilic man, then 50% or all daughters, 50% of their children, children carriers. We are saying that children, that means either male or maybe female, 50% carrier and 50% normal children. Children are normal. In detail, if you write in detail, 100% of daughters, 100% daughters, daughters become carriers. So out of four children, two are daughters. All these two daughters are carriers, and 100% of sons or maybe male child sons are normal. So it is simple phenomena. We need to remember that sex linked recessive diseases will not transfer from the father. So son never get this sex linked disorder, recessive disorder from the father. So if father hemophilic, that hemophilic gene will goes to the daughters, not to the son. So that's why the probability is 0% having hemophilic. So answer is option 1. Question number 41. Which of the following disease is caused by change in a single base pair of DNA? Options 1. Hemophilia, 2. Sickle cell anemia, 3. Down syndrome, 4. Klinefelter syndrome. So now here they are asking that changing the base pair of DNA, that we will call it as the mutation. So mutation causes the sickle cell anemia. It is example of point mutation. So point mutation means change in a single base pair is called point mutation. That point mutation example is sickle cell anemia. So Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome, these two are chromosomal disorders. Hemophilia is a Mendelian disorder. So hemophilia, it is a Mendelian disorder. Disorder and Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome both are the chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders. Both. It is a trisomy and Klinefelter syndrome also trisomy. So it is a trisomy of sex chromosome. It is trisomy of autosome. So the only one is change in single base pair. Change in gene or DNA is called mutation. So mutation leads to causing the sickle cell anemia. So option 2 is correct. Question number 42. Deficiency of eighth factor leads to options hemophilia A, hemophilia B, hemophilia C, hemophilia D. So now hemophilia is of two types mainly two types. Hemophilia is of two types. It is of two types. So on which basis it is divided into two? It is based on the, so it is two types based on type of clotting factor is affected, which based on which type, which based on which clotting factor, based on which clotting factor deficiency, based on the deficiency of clotting factor, which clotting factor is deficient. Based on that, hemophilia is of two types. So in that, if if factor 8 is deficient, it causes hemophilia A. So if factor 9 is deficient, it causes hemophilia B. Is the, so now based on this, deficiency of factor 8 leads to hemophilia A. Option 1 is correct. Question number 43. Three alleles, namely IA, IB, and small I, control the blood grouping in human beings. How many different alleles are likely to be present in an individual? Options 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3. So now let's see the gene I. Gene I. It has three alleles. Three alleles. It is already mentioned, that is IA, IB, and small I. Three alleles are present. As we are all very well known that human cells are diploid. So that is 2n condition. So this indicates out of these three alleles, any two alleles are present in the cell or maybe individual. Any two alleles present in the individual. Alleles present in an individual. In an individual. So the two alleles, that means it may present like this: IA, IA, or IA small I, IB, IB, IB small I, IA, IB small I, small I. So here any one of these two alleles are present in an individual. Based on that, if an individual concedes IA, IA, or maybe IA small I, and these individuals are having A blood group. If an individual concedes IB, IB, or IB small I, then these individuals concedes B blood group. If an individual concedes IA, IB, then the individual is having AB blood group. If an individual concedes small I, then the individual concedes O blood group. So an individual concedes any out of these three alleles, any two alleles are present. So the correct answer is option 1. Match the following. Question number 44. Match the following. Column 1 and column 2. So 1. Sickle cell anemia. 2. Phenylketonuria. 3. Cystic fibrosis. 4. Huntington's disease. 5. Color blindness. So column 2. A. 7th chromosome. B. 4th chromosome. C. 11th chromosome. D. X chromosome. E. 12th chromosome. Let's see that. Sickle cell anemia. So it is caused due to the point mutation. We are all very well known that. The sickle cell anemia. So it is due to the mutation in 11th chromosome. So sickle cell anemia 1 is C, 11th chromosome. Next, phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. It is a metabolic disorder, inborn metabolic disorder. It is due to the defect in 12th chromosome. That is 2 is E. Next, cystic fibrosis. It is a mucus deposited in the lungs. So that is it is due to the defect in the 7th chromosome. That is 3 is A. Huntington disease. So it is a defect in the 4th chromosome. That is 4 is B, and color blindness is related to X-linked chromosome. So that is 5 is D. So based on this, the correct answer is option 2. Question number 45. Genic balance of sex determination was proposed by options 1. Bridges, 2. Mendel, 3. Balbiani, 4. Morgan. So we know very well about this Mendel and Morgan. Chromosomal theory of linkage, Morgan, and principles of inheritance and father of genetics, Mendel. Morgan is a father of experimental genetics. And now, genic balance of sex determination was proposed by Bridges. So option 1 is the correct answer.